Do you want to mute your microphone during meetings on Zoom? In this video, I will show you how to enable mute microphone on the Zoom app step by step, so you can join meetings without background noise interrupting others. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Zoom app. In this page of Zoom Workplace, you will go to above to the sign of home. You will enter to settings. Here on this page you will find meeting, so you will click on meeting window, and after that in this meeting window you will find settings of when joining meetings, and then here we click to enable mute my microphone in that way as you see. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.